If you'd like to get up and running quickly, you can browse our kits library, which has a variety of process templates and everything that you need to start using ProcessKit for a variety of use cases. Let's take a look at how you can do that. I'm going to go over to kits and we will import a kit. And this first tab is where we can browse the kits library. These are ready-made process templates along with a number of other things included. And so let's go ahead and import the first one. We're going to click that to highlight it. This is for a new customer onboarding process. And if you'd like to preview, what's included in this kit before we import it, you can click what's included. And we see that it will import a process template called new customer onboarding. It'll create a project type called customer onboarding, and it will create a number of custom fields. Cool. So let's go ahead and get this one imported. I'm going to go click import kit. And that imported successfully. So let's go and put this to use right away. I'm going to go to projects, and we're going to use that new customer onboarding project type that was just created. And let's give this project a title. We'll use the client name as the name of the project. And when we look at the details on this project, we can see that it has all these custom fields added to it. These came with the kit that we just imported. And if we hop over to the tasks tab, this process and all the tasks have been automatically built out thanks to the project type and the process that came with this kit. Now, each of these steps is complete with details that you can use, and they even have start dates and due dates. These are built using date rules, dynamic date rules built into the process template. There's some editor's notes to show you how you might go about customizing it. And of course, this is just the beginning. So you'll want to custom tailor this to your needs, but it is ready to use right away. And you can actually get ProcessKit working for you right out of the box. Now let's take a look under the hood and see what happened here. I'm going to go over to processes. We can see that kit created a new process called new customer onboarding. This is where you can edit and adjust this process to your needs. You can add new steps in between. You can delete steps from it. You can go into the details. You can click it to edit it and change it to your needs. Most of the steps have date rules, a start date and a due date rule based on different logic, and you can make adjustments to those if you need to. And you might also want to assign these tasks to actual people on your team. So people are not obviously included in the kits when you import them, but you can go into the process and automatically assign people from your team onto those tasks. So it created that process. It also created a project type. We used that customer onboarding project type. Let's take a look at that. We'll go into the settings, and inside this project type, it has that new customer onboarding process preloaded in, and it has these custom fields. So it also configured these custom fields to be preloaded in, and it actually created these custom fields. So let's go take a look at those. If we go into our fields, the kit that we imported automatically created all of these custom fields for us, including this one, which is like a radio option selection, for service package, bronze, silver, or gold. This is really just an example. You'll want to customize this to your needs, but these are like text inputs, and then those get loaded in on projects when you use that project type. So all of that is customizable. You can run with it from here. It's a good example starting point, or it might be useful for you right out of the box. And once again, our kits library can be found over here on the right. You go to kits and import kit, and that's where you'll find our growing list of process templates. Each of these is for a different use case, and you can open them up and see what's included inside before you import them. Now you can also create your own kits and create your own processes and custom fields and project types and package them up, maybe give them to your clients, or maybe just save them for other departments in your company. And then once you create those kits, and then you can upload them as a custom kit to bring in. And I'm going to have a separate video showing you how to do that.